So I bought an really long auxiliary cable, aux cable, whatever, to hook up my Tascam DR40 to the camera for when I'm recording the 1F914s. And I got the 2 right angle style because that way it's not putting unnecessary stress on either expensive piece of equipment. But I thought to myself, before I made the purchase, I should get the extension kind. The kind that's one end is the female and one end is the male. But then I was thinking, I don't really want there to be too many junction points where the connection could fail and my audio cuts out. So I got the solid one. But then, a moment ago, while hooking up my shotgun mic, I remembered why that thought crossed my mind. I didn't realize when the thought crossed my mind, but now I know. The shotgun mic has a male end coming out of it, not a female port to plug an aux cable into. So I need an extension cord to hook up the shotgun mic to my camera. It's not really a problem for my current setup, but if I ever want to use my shotgun mic as a boom mic, that's a ways away from my camera, I'm going to need to buy another cord. On to the topic at hand. My sleeves. My sleeves are the topic at hand. I tried to do this once before. Record a tutorial of sorts on how to elasticize your shirt sleeves so that instead of rolling them up when you're really tall and can never buy a shirt that fits you in the arms, you can just pull them up. Now what you do, and I gotta be careful not to get between me and the mic, what you do is you find the hole. I don't know if you can see it at all, but you find the buttonhole, not the buttons, but the hole that the buttons go through. You find that hole, then you take this. It's a hair tie, just normal hair tie. Thinner the better. You're not holding hair with it. So those cheap ones from the dollar stores, perfect. So you find the hole and you stick part of the hair tie through it, and then you stick the other end through that part so that it stays, this, what I just did. You saw what I did. You're not an idiot. Well, you might be, but come on. Then you go back to then you fold it down because you want to have that nice folded gray cuff if that's what your shirt looks like. But it's not necessary. If your shirt doesn't have that, then you might not want to fold it. But for me, I'm folding it because that's the way my shirt style is supposed to be worn. And then you take that and then you go find the button again, and you just, this is the challenging part because you're doing this with one hand. So and I'm holding my arm up unnaturally high to demonstrate. You found that hole. Now it's going to be loose, but don't worry, it's supposed to be loose because if you're not a weak little pissant, you should have a bicep. That was mean. I'm sorry. If you are a weak little pissant, I apologize. And then you just slide the shirt sleeve up. And the elasticized cuff will hold itself. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful at all, give it a like. Share it with people who it might also help, and subscribe for more.